What are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.
Hi, my name is Musayyab Ahmed and I belong to UP District Bijnor, Najibabad. I have done BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering with 70.3% marks from Mewat Engineering College in 2022. After completing exam, I was searching for a job. Then my friend suggested me about eVision. I enrolled in eVision on 8 August 2022. In eVision, I got to know about some softwares like cybersecurity, CCNA, virtualization, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and so on. The experience was very good in the eVision because all the trainers and all the placement teams help us a lot. And I am happy to say that I offered from IDEMIA with the offer of 2.7 LPA. I thanks to the eVision and to all the team of the eVision. Thank you.